Hello, my name is Richard Wilson. I own and operate Excalibur Fruit Trees in West Palm. This is going to be just a quickie course on how to prune a tree. A lot of people have a problem with pruning trees. They don't understand the physiology of pruning a tree. This is just going to be a quick get-to-know course on how to prune a small fruit tree. This is not a fruit tree. This is a Bohemia blakeleana, but because of its structure, it lends itself very well to showing you how to actually prune the tree. First thing you can do is trim off anything. You need to keep it into a standard like this down here. The cut should be fairly close to the bark, but not really close to the bark. There's a different type of cell in here that actually heals, and you want to cut right through this little collar here and let that be the part that does the healing. Something else you need to know is the only part of a plant that makes food, or the only place it gets any food, is through the leaves. If you cut too many leaves off, you cut too much food away from the tree. It's this food that actually heals the tree. So when you finish with your cuts, you want a small limb with leaves on it at the very tip of all of your pruning. That's the basis of a procedure called drop crotching, and we'll be doing that later. The first thing you do on a tree is cut off any dead wood. If any wood on it is dead, you'll walk around the tree and you'll actually cut it off. When you cut it so that it can heal with a little bit of green on the end of it. Okay, you cut everything that's dead off of this tree, like so, and then you'll step back, and then you'll cut anything that's hanging down. Anything hanging down on this tree makes food, but because the food goes to the root through gravity, it's trapped, like in this limb here. Now, we'll want to get rid of this limb, so we'll make our cut up close. I still have green leaves on the tip. That will cause this wound to heal rapidly. So we'll go through and we'll do basically drop crotching to get rid of any leaves that are hanging down. I'm going to pull the tree over so you can see it here. Now we're basically free of anything that's dead or anything that's hanging down. Okay, next we want to shape the tree.